Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I am also fine. So now we are going to study about our triangle chapter. We have read many things, and we have read that the similar triangles, if the sides are proportional, the triangles is similar, and if the corresponding angles are equal. So these things we have learned. See here. One time you can see also these things here that the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent, means they are equal, and their corresponding sides are proportional. We have read these things. We are knowing the rules also. What are the rules of congruency? So these are the rules of similarity here. Okay, not congruency, it's similarity here. So see here, first it is triple A, then we have triple S, and then we have side angle side. So with the help of these three rules, we can prove that the two triangles are similar. They have two angles, either they have common, or they have all three sides are proportional, or they have two sides are proportional, and one equal angle is equal. So these all rules are here that we have to use in our chapter here. Okay, this is actually what is given. Angle criteria means if three angles are equal, then that means angle is also true here. Okay, these are the rules. Triple S criteria. See, the sides are proportional here. The sides are proportional. Triangles are similar only. These two triangles are similar if the sides are proportional. So we have learned this all things here. So we have learned angle similarity just now. We have learned this. I have explained also. Side just now explained also. So everything, this side angle side also. See, one time see that also. That this is equal. The sides are proportional, angles are equal, these two triangles are similar only. So these things we have learned, and our topic is based on this topic only. So we'll see the video here. It is related to that proportionality only. One time see here. So here, this is not the complete question. Here is the complete question here. Now see this. In this question it is saying that, see here, in this question it is saying that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It has been mentioned here. Here is angle 1 and here is angle 2. And AC by BD is equal to CB by CE. AC by BD is equal to CB by CE. These things they have given, and then see what we have to prove. These things has been given to us, and we have to prove now here. Okay, so this figure is clear. Okay, now let us come to solve this question here. Okay, so what is given I will write here. It's very important. Sometimes I forget also, so it's a better habit only to write down all the things given, and then we have to prove. Let me write that also. If it is given, then what we have to prove? We have to prove that AC in, we have to prove the triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCE. Okay, these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. Then, okay, let me show you. These two triangles are similar here. This small one, and then this bigger one. So these two triangles are similar. We have to prove that. Okay, let us start this. So for that, the hint is given. What is the hint? Angle 1 is equal to angle. That is the biggest hint. That is the main key. If you will observe, okay, I have shown also. I will show you also what we have to observe here. Now suppose that in this triangle D, B and C. Okay, if I erase this line, okay, now stop. if I erase here this line, then now this is one triangle here in which angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That means these two sides are only equal na. So these two sides are equal. That means DB is equal to DC. Clear? So first thing is very clear. We have found that. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That means DB is equal to DC. Now I will join that line because that is given only. I have just erased so that you can understand this. Now what is given? That will write. It is given that AC by BD is equal to CB by C. So now our priority is that we will prove these lines are parallel here. So AC by CB is equal to, in place of CB I am writing here, in place of CB here, see, in place of that CB I am writing here BD. Why? Because just now I have proved that right now I am writing the cross multiplication here, that BD will come here and CB is coming here, and now in place of this BD I will write here DCC. This I have written now. Now this CD will come here. See, just see only. Okay, AC by CB, and in place of BD, so in place of BD now I'm just going AC. So our work is to prove D is parallel to AB. That only our work is that. Okay, so DB AC by CB is equal to DC by CE. Okay, now see that also. Here is that DC line, here is that CE line. Okay, that means these two lines will be only and only parallel. Which two lines? AB, which parallel to what? It will be parallel to DE. Okay, so by converse of that BPT, if the ratio of the sides are proportional here, so we can say that by that converse theorem of BPT, we can say here that DE is parallel to AB. DE is parallel to AB. Okay, so if DE is parallel to AB, now I think you are getting the answer, you are getting the solution. What we have to do here, so we will now find which two angles are equal, so that these two triangles, this small and the big triangle, can become similar only. Okay, so now our work will be to find those angles. So here is that angle CDE. So we have to prove triangle ABC and triangle DCE. So in triangle ABC we have angle CAB, that means angle A. So we have angle CAB is equal to angle CDE. So CAB is equal to angle CDE. Why? The reason is corresponding angles. Similarly we can prove that angle Y, and that is angle CBA, is equal to angle CED. Okay, that is why. So now two angles are equal in a triangle. So we can use here again a similarity, and from that A similarity we can say that this triangle ABC is similar to triangle DC. See here, by this angle similarity. Okay, which two angles are equal? Then this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because these lines are parallel only. So by this we have proved triangle ABC is similar to triangle DCE. So I hope you are reading very nicely at your home. You are not wasting your time there. You are focusing for your board examination. So these videos will really help you also You can come in the doubt class also. So in the you can ask the question. Many options. Now see, you have many options. You have to choose only, and you have to practice. Okay. Just practice only and complete all the work. Next class we'll learn something new. Till then, all of you take care. Thank you, class. Thank you very much.